Hi everyone, my name is Marina Pinheiro and I'm a senior data analyst at LS Retail. Welcome to our Analytics for LS Central release updates, where we share what's new, what has improved, and what is shaping the future of analytics for LS Central. To get the full set of product updates, please make sure to check out our release notes at LS Central Online Help. Here, you can find a list of current and past release notes that explain the updates to the Analytics for LS Central product package. Let me walk you through the highlights of our latest release. We're introducing a brand new analytics setup page in LS Central, launching powerful new analytics data agents, exploring a weather-driven sales forecast using machine learning, and rolling out a range of other important improvements, all designed to keep your analytics and your business one step ahead. New analytics setup page at LS Central. With this release, we're introducing the Analytics Setup page, a single place to control how Analytics for LS Central runs. Here, you can decide which analytics domains to enable, select specific companies, trigger analytics tasks, and configure the service tier that best fits your needs. The goal is simple: better visibility, clearer control, and easier analytics management. New Analytics Data Agents. With this release, we're taking a big step forward in how you interact with your data. We're introducing Analytics Data Agents. These agents are designed to be specialists. Each one is focused on a specific business domain, built on top of our trusted analytics semantic models, and ready to answer real business questions. What you see here is the Sales Data Agent, but it doesn't stop here. We've created dedicated agents for finance, inventory, supply chain, hotels, hospitality, and bookings, each one understanding its own data, metrics, and business logic. The idea is simple. Instead of navigating dashboards or reports, you go straight to the answer, powered by analytics you already trust. What makes these agents powerful is how you interact with them. You don't need to know table names, measures, or how the model is built. You simply ask a question in plain English. Questions like, which products are driving revenue growth this year, and how does that compare to last year for the company sales ST? The agent understands the intent, explores the analytics model, and responds with clear, business-ready insights. Analytics becomes a conversation, not a tool you'll need to learn. This is how analytics becomes accessible, and not just for analysts, but for everyone. New weather sales forecast machine learning model. Now, let me show you something we've been actively exploring using machine learning: a weather-driven sales forecast. What's important here is not just the forecast itself, but the process behind it. Using Microsoft Fabric, we can take analytics data directly from the Power BI semantic model, train a machine learning model, and then write the forecast results back into Delta tables. Those tables are then reconnected to the same Power BI semantic model, meaning that the forecast becomes part of analytics, not a separate experiment. This allows us to move from descriptive analytics to predictive insights, without breaking the analytics workflow. This is the machine learning model itself, built and trained inside the Fabric notebook. Here, we combine historical sales data with weather information to train a forecasting model. MLflow is used to track experiments, parameters, and model performance, so everything is transparent, reproducible, and measurable. This is not a black box. It's a controlled document process that fits naturally into an analytics environment. Once the model is trained, the results are written back into Delta tables ready to be consumed by Power BI. And this is where everything comes together. The forecast results are now part of the Power BI report, alongside actual sales, trends, and business KPIs. This means users can compare forecasts versus actuals, understand the expected impact of weather, and make more informed decisions, all in a familiar analytics experience. From the business perspective, nothing changes in how they consume analytics, except that the insights are now predictive. This is how machine learning becomes actionable and not just experimental. Other improvements. As part of other improvements in this release, performance is a clear highlight, especially around data export. With the BC2ADLS Export Data app, exports now run in hours, and schedule runs completed in minutes, delivering a much faster and smoother analytics experience compared to the previous Data Director approach. These results are based on performance tests with 100 million item ledger entries, a scale that reflects real, enterprise-level data volumes. At this scale, BC2ADLS sets a new benchmark for fast, reliable, and scalable SaaS data export from Business Central. And that's a wrap-up for this update. We're continuing to focus on what matters the most, making analytics more powerful, more accessible, and more impactful for your business. We are constantly evolving, exploring new ideas, and building smarter ways for you to work with your data. If you would like to learn more or explore this in detail, you can always find up-to-date information at the analytics page at LS Central Online Help. Thank you for watching and being part of our Analytics for LS Central journey.